Students Arn, Bob, Sid, Dan, Eve, and Fawn are arranged in that order in a circle. They count off, starting with Arn, then Bob, and so on around the circle. Whenever the number said is a multiple of 7, or contains a 7 as a digit, such as 17 or 47, that person leaves the circle, and counting continues. Who is the last one present in the circle? The choices are Arn, Bob, Sid, Dan, and Eve. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. First, let's be clear about which numbers make someone leave. A number is bad if it is a multiple of 7, or if it contains the digit 7. So the bad numbers are 7, 14, 17, 21, 27, 28, and so on. Now let's just count around the circle and watch who leaves. 1 is Arn, 2 Bob, 3 Sid, 4 Dan, 5 Eve, 6 Fawn. Then 7 lands on Arn. 7 is bad, so Arn leaves. We keep going. 14 lands on Sid, so Sid leaves. 17 lands on Fawn, so Fawn leaves. 21 lands on Bob, so Bob leaves. And 27 lands on Eve, so Eve leaves. After Arn, Sid, Fawn, Bob, and Eve have all left, the only student still in the circle is Dan. So the answer is Dan. Choice D.